Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the gestures, and here you'll see the system navigation. Tap there, and on the right side of your screen you'll see the settings icon, and just here to switch to change the sensitivity of your left edge and right edge. Just swipe this dot with your finger to the left or to the right side, from lower to higher and back. So, and then just go back to save the changes. And that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.